yan, whatever it is, career, no? Para sa bagong beginning or new beginning sa iyong financially. I mean finances, no? Kahit na hindi finances, no? Parang this is a major breakthrough, no? For some of you Libra, no? Talagang may major breakthrough for some of you na regarding finances, no? Abundance to, no, mga Libra natin. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right? With the Five of Pentacles, ano man to mga challenges na paparating na I mean, yung challenge kasi sa'yo rito is yung may mga nawala no? Losses, no? For some of you, no? And then, ngayon, you are still standing kasi, right? No? With that, no? Eto na yung good fortune, no? I mean, wheel of fortune, may pagbabago, no? Regarding whatever it is na for your stability, no, mga Libra. So, ang ganda nito, right? No? So, yung challenge sa'yo rito is, talikuran muna yung dapat, no? Tuloy-tuloy mo lang kasi ito, right? No, may magandang nagiging bunga kasi yung ginagawa mo right now, mga Libra natin. You are making changes, no, for some of you sa iyong buhay, right? No, mga Libra natin. So, yeah. So, challenge sa'yo. Paano mo tatalikuran yung mga dapat mong talikuran, right? No, so ayun ang challenge sa'yo for you to have this um um abundance na hinahanap or wini-wish mo, no? Something like that, mga pinapangarap mo sa buhay, no? Something like that ng mga Libra natin, no? So, what else, no? Kuha pa tayo, no? Possible challenges for Libra, please. So, kuha pa tayo. Possible challenge for Libra. Ano pa? Napaparating. Possible challenges for Libra, please. Let's see. Kuha pa tayo. Possible challenges for Libra. So, you have this, no, the golden mirror, narcissistic, a narcissist, love bombing, self-absorbed, one-sided, and then karmic relationship, resentment triggers, perception, intensity, and letting go. So, yeah, for some of you naman, no, challenge na paparating for you, no, that you are, maybe for some of you Libra, you are in a toxic relationship, a karmic relationship, no, for some of you, you are dealing with a narcissistic type of person. So, challenge sa'yo rito, no, how can you, overcome this kind of situation. If you are still in this kind of situation, challenge sa'yo kasi to nagtatagal ka. So maybe for some of you na tumatagal sa isang relationship na ganito,